Alright, also here in Explorer you could very easily create new files and folders by using those icons. Here I could create new file and give it name, for example, index.js. This file will be created and immediately opened here for editing. And now I could add some text here in this JavaScript file, like that. You could remove file by selecting it here, right button click and select delete, or using shortcut command delete or control delete. Move to trash. You could create new folders by clicking on new folder icon and, for example, create new folder called test. Here inside of this folder you could create new files, new file.txt. You could add other files if necessary. You could also create subfolders here, like this, subfolder, and so on. You could also remove specific folder by clicking on it and using either shortcut or context menu. I will use shortcut for now, command delete, like that, and this folder is gone.